Looking for a new job? Artificial intelligence is changing how companies find their newest team members. AI helps companies sort through many applications quickly. Understanding how AI works in hiring can help you get noticed. This essay will explain each step of the AI hiring process. We'll also share tips to make your application stand out. Imagine sending your resume into a digital machine. This is the first step where AI comes in. Special software reads your resume and cover letter. It pulls out important information like your skills, experience, and education. Tip: use keywords from the job description in your resume. AI looks for these words to see if you're a good fit. Make sure your formatting is clean and simple so the AI can read it easily. Next, the AI compares your information to what the company is looking for. It's like a giant matching game. The AI looks for candidates whose skills and experience best match the job requirements. Tip: before applying, think about how your skills and experience match the job description. Highlight the most relevant ones in your resume and cover letter. Section 4. Showing your skills. AI-powered assessments. Some companies use AI to test your skills. You might take online tests or simulations. These assessments help companies see how you solve problems and use your skills. Tip: practice common skills assessments online. This will help you feel more confident during the real test. Pay attention to instructions and time limits. Section 5. The first interview, sometimes with a robot. Believe it or not, your first interview could be with AI. Some companies use chatbots or automated video interviews to ask basic questions. The AI analyzes your answers for keywords, communication skills, and enthusiasm. Tip: speak clearly and concisely when answering questions. Show your personality and interest in the company. Practice recording yourself to get comfortable with being on camera. Section 6. Meeting the humans. The human interview stage. If the AI thinks you're a good fit, you'll likely have an interview with a real person. They will ask more in-depth questions about your experience and skills. Tip: prepare for your interview by researching the company and the role. Think of examples that show your skills and how you can contribute to the company. Section 7. The final decision. AI helps make the choice. After all the interviews and assessments, the AI combines all the information. It helps the hiring team make a final decision. The AI can highlight the top candidates and predict their potential for success in the role. Tip: follow up with the hiring manager after your interview. Thank them for their time and reiterate your interest in the position. Understanding how AI works in hiring can give you an advantage. By following these tips, you can optimize your application at every stage and increase your chances of getting hired. Remember, AI is a tool to help companies find the best candidates, and you can learn to use it to your advantage.